Welcome guys, in today's video we'll be explaining how to work with percentage in the Excel. In this exercise we are going to explain how to calculate what percentage is part of total. In this table we have months from January to December and sales for each month respectively, and I want to showcase you the calculation. Formula is part divided by total. At first, we have to calculate our total. We can simply use AutoSum function. Here it is. Well, set active cursor into the cell C9. We are going to apply our formula part divided by total. We are starting with equal sign and part is from this cell and the total is in this cell. Because we want to copy this formula, don't forget to press F4 key, so the B21 would be an absolute reference. The result has to be in percentage format, so we will select all those cells and use percentage format with 2 decimal places. Then we copy the formula and the exercise is finished. Let's take a look at another worksheet. In this worksheet we will increase or decrease the number by X%. The formula is the number multiplied by, in brackets, 1 plus X%. We have a table with months from January to December again and sales in the year 2019. We know expected changes in percentage value. Changes represents how the sale for a respective month will decrease or increase in percentage value, and we want to calculate the expected sales in 2020. Important thing is that in formula there will be always plus sign, because decreasing will be represented with negative percentage value in expected changes column. It is necessary so we can copy the formula regardless we increase or decrease the value by X%. So now we will apply formula. Start with equal sign and then number multiplied by, in brackets, 1 plus X%. Then again we copy the result and it's done. We are going to show again why it's important to always have plus sign in the formula. Let's imagine that in June we don't want to decrease the value by 1%, but actually increase the value by 1%. How many formulas do we have to change? Any. We just have to change the percentage value from -1% to +1%. Format of the result is in dollars. In our third exercise we will compare by how many percent is number A bigger or smaller than number B. Don't forget that we are comparing A to B, so the A will be above the fraction line and B will be below the fraction line. In our case, we are comparing sales in 2019 versus the sales in 2018, and so the sales in 2019 will be above the fractional line and sales in 2018 will be below the fractional line. Don't forget to add -1 into the formula and we'll apply percentage format to the result. The result is that in year 2019 the sales were by 6.96% higher than in year 2018. In case that we are comparing the year 2018 2018 to year 2019, we will have in formula 2018 above the fractional line and the 2019 below the fractional line. For the result, we'll apply percentage number format with 2 decimal places. The minus sign in the result means that the sales were smaller by 6.51%. In our last exercise, we will calculate what value is x% from our base value. It's really simple. We have 4 people with table of their sales and we know percentage value of their commission. We want to calculate the commission in dollars. First, set active cursor into the cell we want to have result, then write equal sign and enter commission. Don't forget to press F4 key, so we want to copy the formula and multiply it by sales. Then just copy the formula and result is in accounting format. Well, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit like button.